Chinese policymakers have pledged to boost employment, raise household incomes, and strengthen social safety nets under the country's 5-year economic roadmap. The measures and questions on how to improve the livelihoods of the people were the focus at a news conference at China's 2 sessions political meetings in Beijing. CNA's Krystal Chia tells us more.
It is impossible to describe for certain the typical life of the Chinese, given it's a diverse population of 1.4 billion. But across the country, there are common concerns within different age groups. And ministers answered questions related to some of these topics at the annual 2 sessions political meeting currently underway in Beijing. Issues such as employment, social security, elder care and health were discussed for more than 2 hours. In the elder care space, officials recognized that more and more seniors are living alone. They said that new jobs such as elder care service specialist will be made official and that a visitation and care system will be established. With China expected to have 402 million seniors by 2040, conversations around policy reforms and the sustainability of the pension system will intensify in the coming years. Earlier this week, I spoke to a 50-year-old Mr. Chen. His parents are in their 80s. This is what he has to say about retirement and pensions.
我希望呢，就是说，对于一部分这收入比较低的人来讲的话呢，希望他们的退休金呢，将来呢不要太少，因为每个人的付出都是一样的，只不过呢，社会对他分工不同，由于他分工的不同呢，就造成了他的收入的不同，收入不同呢，也造就了他将来这个退休金的不同，所以我希望国家呢，对，一部分人就是说也辛勤的付出，将来呢，希望他们在这个退休金这一块呢，也希望他们能够稍微高一点，这样对他们养老有个保障。
Life expectancy in China has been climbing. In 2025, it stands at 79.25, and the government is looking to raise that to 80 by 2030. As the elderly population becomes larger and live longer, it is also critical that the country stays healthy, not least to manage healthcare costs. Lei Haichao, director of the National Health Commission, who's well known for his candid remarks, reminded the audience that men should keep their waistlines below 90 cm and women below 85. He even explained the need to do colonoscopies and stool tests for individuals at risk and detect tumors early.
所以在这里我再次强调，癌症并不可怕，关键在于预防，在于做好早期的筛查。
All this was information he asked reporters present to help raise awareness. It is a session for the domestic audience, but there's also something for people outside China. The tourism minister recognized that making reservations, buying tickets, and finding restrooms might still be difficult for some tourists. China recorded 150 million inbound trips in 2025, a 17% jump from the prior year, as it offered visa-free entry to passport holders from more countries. The tourism minister said China will further promote the integration of culture into travel experiences to expand tourism beyond simply a visit to scenic spots. Krystal Chia, CNA, Beijing.